Hey TikTok enthusiast, ever wondered how to make the most out of your TikTok live sessions by claiming those awesome live rewards? Well, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of claiming live rewards on TikTok. So make sure to stick around till the end and let's dive right into it. First things first, to access live rewards, you need to make sure you're eligible for TikTok Live. You must be at least 16 years old to go live, and if you want to receive gifts, you have to be 18 or older. Also, ensure your account is in good standing and meets the minimum follower requirement set by TikTok, which can be vary by region. Head to your profile, then tap on three horizontal lines, then tap on settings and privacy. Here, you need to tap on balance. Now tap on next. Now tap on live rewards. Here, all you need to do is tap on withdraw. And there you have it, your complete guide to claiming live rewards on TikTok. Engaging content and active interaction are your best bets for maximizing your live rewards. So go live, engage, entertain, and start claiming those rewards today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.